Ano ang OBE? Well, by the way, my name is Juby. OFW right now sa Singapore at ginagawa part-time ang Online Business Academy. Let I define you first. What is OBE? OBE stands for Online Business Academy. So, online business itself is negosyo talaga ito. But wait, ang negosyo ito, mas malaki pa ang halaga ng cellphone mo right now na ginagamit mo sa puhunan dito sa OBE. So you want to know more details of this Online Business Academy, message me directly sa aking inbox. So, I can prioritize you to give a slot sa pre-orientation namin at matuturuan kita kung paano mo gagawin ang Online Business Academy na gamit ang iyong social media account. So, welcome ba yan? See you in my inbox and bye-bye!